How to upload files in Mega Cloud. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the source bar and type Mega. Now click on source at the bottom right corner. Now tap on install. Now wait for some time. While the application is being downloaded, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. After installing, simply tap on open. Now click on sign up. Now enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now enter your email address. Now create a password. Now repeat the same password and once you are done simply tap on sign up. Now wait for some time. Now go back to the home screen and open up Gmail on your device. Now open up the first mail and click on activate account. Now enter your password and tap on login. Now wait for some time. Now click on set up Mega. Now click on continue. Now give the permissions. Now tap on continue. Now give all the permissions. Now tap on enable. Now enable this toggle. Give Now go back. Tap on folders. Tap on the plus icon. Now tap on upload files or upload folder. Now select the file you want to upload. Now give the permissions. Now go back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.